Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This meat chopper isn't just a tool, it's the kitchen wingman you didn't know you needed. Featuring 5 heavy-duty curved blades crafted from heat-resistant, non-stick nylon, it breaks up ground meat, mashed potatoes, and steers sauces with ease, saving your wrists from the drama. Heavy lifting tools grandma swore by. Easy to clean, lightweight to handle, and designed to last, this little powerhouse makes every meal feel like a cozy family dinner minus the cleanup battles. This cold press juicer is where timeless health values meet next-gen kitchen tech. Thanks to a 5.8-inch wide feed chute and a powerful 400W motor, you can juice whole fruits and veggies without spending half your morning chopping. It preserves vitamins and minerals with slow masticating action, meaning your juices come out richer, fresher, and healthier. The silver finish adds a sleek, premium look to your countertop, while the easy-to-disassemble parts make cleaning a total breeze. Sit back and enjoy your investing in a lifestyle your great-grandparents would totally raise a glass. This manual chopper turns tedious chopping into a stress-relieving tug-of-war you actually win. With just a few pulls of the string, you can mince garlic, chop onions, dice nuts, and prep herbs like a total pro. Its 500 milliliters bowl is compact enough for small kitchens yet mighty enough for full flavor meals. No electricity needed, which means you're prepped for off-grid adventures, picnics, or just old-fashioned self-sufficiency vibes. Built tough but easy to handle, this processor reminds us, sometimes low-tech is the smartest tech. This upgraded pepper seed corer saves you from those I'm losing a finger pepper prep moments. The ergonomic grip and 2-in-1 cutter, de-seeder design mean you can glide through bell peppers with effortless precision, no mess, no stress. Whether you're whipping up traditional stuffed peppers or trendy air-fried fajitas, this tool brings real old-world kitchen efficiency into today's meal prep rush. Plus, its bright green pop of color keeps your kitchen looking fresh, just like your produce. This mushroom funnel folds up smaller than your TikTok screen time and works harder than half your kitchen gadgets. With a wide mouth perfect for transferring jams, broths, and sauces into jars, it's made of food-grade, BPA-free silicone that's dishwasher safe. Its playful mushroom design keeps things whimsical, but don't be fooled, it's rugged enough for serious cooks and old souls who know every drop counts. This finger chopstick set is the ultimate flex for snack-loving gamers. Slide them onto your fingers, munch your chips, Cheetos, or candies, and keep your gaming rig and your dignity intact. Invented for hardcore snackers and Shark Tank approved, these snacking tools are lightweight, reusable, and just a little futuristic. This fruit and veggie divider is like your prep time's fairy godmother, slicing apples, pears, and potatoes into perfect quarters with one satisfying push. Durable stainless steel blades and a steady grip handle turn snack prep and meal prepping into a safe, quick, no-mess task. Whether you're a meal prep warrior or just someone who hates fighting with a dull knife, this classic tool levels you up like a seasoned homesteader. This mores maker is a whole mood for your next movie night, party, or cozy Sunday evening. It comes with 4 removable trays for chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows, plus roasting sticks, so you get full campfire flavor without leaving your house. It's designed for safe, flameless indoor roasting, bringing old-fashioned fun into the 21st century without sacrificing a single gooey bite. Think summer camp memories but with better lighting and no mosquitoes. This dressing mixer is the real MVP of homemade flavor. Just add your ingredients, twist the top to mix, and pour with total precision, no drips, no spills. The tight seal even lets you shake up the thickest dressings without leaks. Durable, dishwasher safe, and sized just right. It's like giving your kitchen the polished, practical upgrade it deserves. It's old-school DIY dressing meets new-school no-mess tech. This yogurt maker puts the control and the probiotics back in your hands. It includes 7 reusable glass jars with rotary date-setting lids, letting you create different flavors at once. Perfect for picky eaters or adventurous foodies. Easy digital controls make it beginner-friendly but precise enough for yogurt masters. It's a sweet nod to old-world kitchen skills, just a lot less complicated and a lot more countertop chic. This vacuum sealer flexes hard on freezer burn and grocery store waste. With 90 kPa of suction power, a built-in cutter, adjustable dry, moist settings, and LED indicator lights, it's a true meal prep ride or die. Perfect for sealing fresh meats, leftovers, bulk buys, or even emergency snack stashes. It's the modern way to honor that old school, store it for later, wisdom we seriously need more of. This home slushy machine brings carnival vibes into your kitchen with zero stress. With 6 smart preset modes and an auto-cleaning function, it whips up margaritas, frappes, smoothies, and milkshakes like a frozen beverage genius. No ice cubes needed, just chill, pour, and slush away. It's like all the nostalgia of summer break blended with the convenience of your grown-up life. This 3-in-1 station is the ultimate throwback to hearty family breakfasts, without the mountain of dirty dishes. Grill eggs, bacon, pancakes, and toast all at once with its dual non-stick griddles and under-griddle toast drawer. Easy to use timer? It's tradition, efficiency, and weekend brunch dreams all rolled into one tidy, powerful machine. This pot stirrer saves your wrist, your soup, and maybe even your dinner party wrap. Fully cordless with variable speeds, it automatically stirs sauces, soups, and stews to perfection. No more babysitting the stove or panicking over scorched pots. It's old-fashioned slow cooking patience upgraded with I Have a Life tech. This juicer isn't just about smoothies, it's about serious health flexes. The 5.8 extra wide chute and 350W motor crush whole fruits and veggies in seconds, making it easier than ever to batch prep juices for the whole fam. With its slow masticating tech, every vitamin gets VIP treatment. It's a modern machine built on timeless treat your body right wisdom. This bamboo can organizer isn't just practical, it's pure kitchen zen. With a double-layered, stackable design and a rich natural finish, it turns pantry chaos into satisfying, aesthetic order. Smooth rolling functionality and sturdy eco-conscious craftsmanship mean it's built to last, with a nostalgic nod to the days when pantries were stocked, sorted, and seriously respected. This spice stack is bringing major main character energy to your spice game. Adjustable pull-down drawers, 24 bottle capacity, and 104 customizable labels help you find exactly what you need, when you need it. Finally, a solution that's functional, intuitive, and pretty enough for a kitchen glow-up worthy of tradition. This folding steamer basket brings fresh flavor to your kitchen. Designed to steam veggies to perfection, it fits a variety of pots and folds up for easy storage. The heat-resistant silicone fins protect your cookware, while the sturdy handle makes lifting safe and simple. Whether it's broccoli, carrots, or greens, this steamer locks in nutrients and saves space, making healthy cooking a total breeze. This 3-in-1 vegetable spiralizer turns your everyday veggies into fun, healthy noodles in seconds. With adjustable settings, it easily handles zucchini, cucumbers, carrots, and more. Whether you're making zoodles, curly fries, or creative salads, this tool adds excitement to your meals. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for anyone looking to spice up their kitchen game while keeping things healthy and fresh. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.